Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my third week of my D20 series, where I use a D20 die to decide what I'm going to paint. And if you didn't watch the last two videos, go watch those. And if you want the TLDR version of this, I have a list of 20 different animals and 20 different occupations. And we're just going to roll twice to see what we are going to come up with. And then I'm going to frame them in these cute, tiny, little ornate frames. So this was my panda as a potter. So just to kind of give you an idea of the style. And these are not in the first two videos, so I'm not going to spoil those for you if you want to watch. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's see what we're doing. We've got, that's a 6. We've got a chicken. And 17. As a teacher. Okay. I think I want to map this out a little bit. I'm just going to move a little bit to the outsides so that I kind of know rough perimeters without getting the lines in. All right, so there you have it. That is our third week of our D20 series where I made a chicken as a teacher. And I am aware, by the way, that I technically made a rooster. And I'm not really sure on like are all roosters technically chickens, but not all chickens are roosters. I don't know. But either way, that is my rendition of a rooster or a chicken as a teacher. And judging by the y equals mx plus b, he's probably a high school teacher, high school math teacher, algebra to be exact. Comment below what you think his name should be, because I feel like he needs a name. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you like this video, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and I will see you all next week. Bye-bye.